Welcome, YouTube enthusiasts. In this updated tutorial, we'll show you how to find your liked videos on YouTube using your mobile device. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Look for the familiar red play button icon and tap to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Now, tap on Liked Videos under the Playlists section. This will take you to a dedicated playlist where all your liked videos are stored. That's it. You've successfully found your liked videos on YouTube Mobile. Enjoy revisiting your favorite videos and discovering new ones. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy video browsing on YouTube.